to work an angle addition problem, specifically angle addition postulate. I've been given a picture, A, the vertex is O, shooting out to B, and another ray going out towards C. If B is in the interior, so here's B in the interior, of AOC, so here's our big angle AOC, then the measure of the larger angle, which would have to be this angle, is the sum of the two smaller ones. So I've been given this information. Angle AEB is congruent to angle CED. I was then told the measurements of each of the angles, and I've been asked to find VED. So the first thing we want to do is plot our information. All right? So the first thing we have is AEB, A to E to B, is congruent to CED, C to E to D. AEB is 4 times the quantity x plus 2. BEC is 12x plus 1, so I'm going to add that on. 12x, minus 1. And AEC is going to be 5 times 5x minus 4. Now, because these two are congruent, I also know that this measure here is 4 times the quantity x plus 2. When you solve these problems, you typically want to add everything together. But notice, this does not go all the way across. So we're trying to find a situation that uses that piece. So I'm going to only look here first to solve for x. So I find that the measure of angle AEB, so here's AEB, plus the measure of angle BEC is equal to the measure of angle AEC. We're ignoring this piece right now. And this is called angle addition postulate. That's why we're doing it. We're now going to substitute in 4 times x plus 2 plus 12x minus 1 is equal to 5 times 5x minus 4. Okay? Draw a fence. Distribute 4x plus 8 plus 12x minus 1 is equal to 25x minus 4. Combining like terms, 22x plus 7 is equal to 25x minus 4. I'm going to move my letters. Sorry, this is not 22x. Let me try that again. That should have been 16x. 16x plus 7 equals 25x minus 4. Make sure to fix that. I'm going to move my letters this direction and get 9x. I'm going to move the 4 this direction. And sorry, what else did I do wrong? Okay, so this is going to happen quite a bit where you'll forget to distribute. So make sure you do that. Okay, moving the 20 this way, 27, x equals 3. So now I plug back in to each of these things to get the whole angle, or to find this portion, BED. So I have the measure of angle BEC plus the measure of angle CED is equal to the measure of angle BED. So I have 12 times 3 minus 1 plus 4 times 3 plus 2 equals some value, the measure of angle BED. 36 minus 1 is 35, plus 20. Measure of angle BED. And I have 55 degrees is the measure of angle BED.